morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Maudie with NUCAN Garden. Fun, exciting day. I came out in the garden this morning to do just a little bit of pruning. I wanted to prune back my tomatoes a little bit more and my cucumbers, but then I found a ton of cucumbers back here. I've been harvesting them almost every few days, but there was just quite a few more on here. We've got a lot of tomatoes here I want to get harvested, and I want to show you one other super exciting thing. So if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's free. We do some fun stuff around here. Hit that like. If there's anything you're noticing or that you want to add, please hit that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to do that. One of my biggest things that I've been super excited about are these Siberia tomatoes. As you can see, look at, they're just about as tall as me, if not a little bit taller, depending on where I'm standing over here. But I'm super stoked. And I'm actually gonna harvest this guy here today. We've got our first ripened Siberia tomatoes. So I'm really, really stoked about that. I have actually been stalking this particular tomato from my window here on almost a daily basis as I drink my morning cup of coffee. But that's what we're doing today. Lots of stuff to get going in the garden. I do want to show you, I was kind of contemplating, I don't know, put it in the comment section down below, let me know what you think. I'm toying with planting either more lettuce or arugula. So I can't kind of make up my mind. And I was going to do it in this fabric pot here. So I don't know. Let me know. But anyhow, let's go get started with having some fun. So this is what I got so far in just kind of pulling back a few leaves. I got 4 great, look at that, great sized cucumbers. I think everybody has that one zucchini that ends up hiding underneath the leaves that you miss. So look at this monster zucchini here. This is gonna actually be really delicious. I'm gonna slice this up and make a chicken and rice casserole for tonight's dinner. And I've got so many tomatoes going here. Again, these are our Red Robin cherry tomatoes, but I have a ton more here. So we're gonna have a massive salad over the weekend. Isn't that fantastic? And I got a ton of strawberries that do need to be harvested. When I came out this morning, I could just smell the sweetness in the air. I'm like, what is that? I came closer, like, it's the strawberries. They're actually really, really fragrant. These strawberries are a lot smaller than the massive ones you see at the store. These are an alpine strawberry, so they do grow a little bit smaller. But I'm just really, really pleased with how they've been doing. I bought these as bare root last season and then just went ahead and planted these. Got a few of them last year, but this is just immense and I'm really excited. I'm actually contemplating making a cucumber apple strawberry smoothie today. Why not, right? Utilize what you grow in your garden to just make all kinds of delicious things. So I think that's actually something I do plan on doing maybe later today. We'll see. And then I've got some, look at my bell peppers. I just want to show you, I'm super excited about these as well. This is like going to a toy store for me, you know. Look at my bell peppers. Look at this. I'm so excited. Can you see that? Can you get in there? Look at that. How exciting is that? And then we've got some green beans that are ready to be harvested as well. And then I've let let's go on down to the peas here. I let the peas just go. These are the sugar snaps. You can certainly eat the whole pod, but I wanted to get the peas itself. So I'm going to harvest these and then just shell out the peas from the inside. So that's what I was doing with this here. Anywho, I don't even know where to get started today. I'm super excited. I think we'll just start back over with the tomatoes. So you can see I have a ton of cucumbers here. There's, oh my gosh, few here. I've got a couple more and further down the line here. I could pick those now and make pickles with them, but I think I'll probably just give these a couple more days before I harvest these. If any of my neighbors are out this morning, they'll be in luck because if I see them right now, I'll give them some. So I'm pleased with my cucumber harvest at this point for this morning. Let's see here. The tomatoes. Okay, so this is the first year I have grown these Red Robin cherry tomatoes. Oh my gosh, I can't even keep track. It's been several years now that I've been growing these. This is the first time I've ever had to get in here and stake these up with any kind of support. They are just falling over, and even just kind of supporting it with my hand, you can feel how heavy it is. It's just insane. Look at that. So beautiful. If you're wondering why I've got gloves on, harvesting cucumbers, they've got the little prickly little things on them, and I don't like that. I mean, it just feels awkward. And same thing with the zucchini, you know, it's that prickly. You get a real good shot of this one here. That's super spiny there. So I didn't want to get poked, so I had my gloves on for that. Get this here. And I'm super excited. I know a lot of folks have been not so happy about the warmer temperatures. I've just been pleased about it because I know for my garden that's fantastic, and we don't normally get the temperatures that we've been getting lately, so I've been really ecstatic about it. This bowl is getting heavy. So here we are at my my strawberries. And when you pick these, try to leave a little bit of a stem on there. That way, if you were to just pull them off, you give them a little bit more and snip it. It helps to keep it fresh until, you know, you eat them or wash them up. You just go through. And you can see all these other ones. And I have some lettuce popping up through here. So funny. It looks like a little pin cushion, doesn't it? I picked some of these, was it last weekend or so, and threw them in a salad, and it was just the right sweetness. You know, summer salads are always great for fresh fruit. I like to incorporate whatever I have in my garden into just about everything we eat. You never get that like perfectly shaped strawberry. That's okay. So, you know, I did, if you remember several videos back, I had planted some Kentucky pole beans on either side of my archway trellis thing there. Unfortunately, I didn't have any luck with the Kentucky beans. They never came up. I don't know if it was just a bad batch of seeds or what, but I did end up planting some more of the sugar snap peas on either side there. That way I have them again going into the fall. As you see, this is mostly too, I think, from, you know, of course, the excess heat that we've been having over in these neck of the woods lately. But I've got the other ones coming up and they're looking really good. So this is my Blue Lake bush bean. These were really good. My kids absolutely loved these the last couple of seasons we've been growing these. This is so fun and exciting. See what we get. Some of those, they're a little on the smaller side. I could harvest them. I have some more. Where do I have some more? I have some like all over the place. All right, so this is so far a little bit of my harvest today. Super excited. Well, I will just go ahead and continue with getting the rest of the stuff harvested that I want to harvest. And also continue pruning up some of the leaves on the cucumber and tomatoes there. Thank you so much for being here with me today and taking a little time to see what I've got going on in my garden. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button, please. I'd appreciate that. And I will catch you on the next video.